Instagram has grown to be a platform to not only to showcase your well-taken photos, but also to demonstrate your creativity. Photo editing apps have become essential for people who want to express their artistic side and individuality in an easy and quick way. In this article we will talk about the top 6 mobile apps for awesome Instagram photos. These apps are handy, easy to use and don't require you to be a tech savvy. However, there are so many of them out there that it can get a bit overwhelming trying to choose the ones that suit you. Don't worry. We will make things easier for you by presenting you with the 6 best photo editing apps to make your photos stand out. 1. VSCO. VSCO could be the most popular photo editing app on Instagram. Its 200+ filters are great for outdoor photography and it has many different photo editing tools that help you improve the quality of your photos, like contrast, saturation, texture, crop, skew, etc. It is super popular with nature photographers. If you are an outdoorsy person who likes to take photos of her many adventures, this app is for you. 2. Snapseed. Like VSCO, Snapseed has also a variety of filters that can be used to quickly spice up your photos, but you can use it for even more. Snapseed has some Photoshop-like tools that can help you do some serious editing to your photos. Thinking of removing things or people from photos? You got it. This pro app will make you look as a pro photo editor without the complexities of other professional photo editing software. 3. Facetune. A list of the best photo apps for Instagram is not complete without an app that makes your selfies look better. Using Facetune, you can smooth your skin and hide your blemish not only in your photos, but also you in your videos. You can also use this app to create stunning and eye-catching stories. It's the perfect app to let the outer you shine with confidence. 4. Pixlr. Well, there is almost nothing you cannot do to your photo using Pixlr. From using filters to editing to collage, you can find everything you need in a photo editing app in Pixlr. You can even make your own filters and save them. How cool is that? And there are many tutorials online which can help you use this app to its full potential. 5. Foodie. Are you one of the millions of people who love to take pictures of their food? Then this app is just for you. This app has an easy and smart guide feature that can direct you into taking the best picture of your food. Moreover, its filters are suitable for food. You can make your smoothie bowl look lively with popping colors. 6. Canva. Canva is a very cool app not only to edit your photos, but also to add extra elements to them. You can add text, shapes, graphics or even your logo. You can add cool infographics, too. It is the perfect app to create things beyond just your photos. Together with the best caption, you can rock Instagram together with the 6 mobile apps for awesome Instagram photos.